beautiful. We love them. There's so many different species around here. And when we dance, we call it feather dancing, and that's what we share with the public. And so you'll see our men, and they have beautiful headdresses made of feathers. You see our women, they have baskets full of feathers. Feathers are so important to us, and we give thanks to those birds because most of those birds are responsible for our creation story, for bringing back fire to our people. We thank those birds, and we want to thank them with this song. And this song is about the different stages of birds. So you'll hear the loud, squawky bird, and then you'll hear the older bird at the end, but in the between you'll hear the mature birds.
Oh.
Riding, oh,